Video editing is tedious, it's repetitive, and it takes forever. But thanks to CapCut, we can now have our videos edited for us with a free AI tool, and all we have to do is click one button. Now let me show you guys how this works. Right now I am in CapCut, the desktop version. Okay, if you guys don't have CapCut, all you have to do is click on the link below in the description and you can download it completely for free and you can use it for free. You don't have to pay a single dollar. All right, I'm gonna click on import and I'm gonna bring in a video that I just made the other day. Okay, now that I've imported the video, I'm gonna add it to the timeline. Now that the video's in the timeline, I'm gonna show you guys the coolest new tool within CapCut that is free to use, and you have to take advantage of this, guys. This is gonna save you so much time. You have no idea. This has made my life so much easier, and when I show you guys this, it's gonna help you out so much. All right, so if you look right here, you'll see the length of this video is 12 minutes and 53 seconds, and that's because I haven't edited it at all. All right, so all the pauses, all the mistakes, everything is still in this video. Now let me show you. All you have to do is come up to this button right here. If I hover my mouse over it, you're gonna see something that says transcript based editing, and we're gonna go ahead and click on that button. Now what CapCut is doing is it's analyzing the video, and everything that I say in the video is going to be converted into a script. And once it's converted into a script, we'll be able to edit this entire video by selecting words and deleting them, and we can automatically delete silences and pauses and ums and ahs. Now that CapCut has analyzed our video, it has converted it into a transcript. If you see this window over here on the left hand side, this is the entire video written out in a transcript. All we had to do was click one button and it's converted our entire video into a script. Descript or Wisecut, they do the same exact thing, except you have to pay every single month for them. So let me show you how this works. If you see right here, you can highlight anything in your script. Now the first thing right here, it says 2.40 seconds. And that's signaling to me that there is 2.4 seconds of silence in the beginning of the video before I start talking. So what I can do is I can highlight that and I can click delete. And just like that, it has removed that silence from the video. Okay, and now what I can do is go through the script and I can delete anything that I don't like. And as you can see right here, 0.74 seconds, I can click on that and I can delete it. Now, if I want to play the video, I can go ahead and play it and you can see that it will follow along on the transcript. Ladies and gentlemen, text to vector is now here. Instead of 0.74 seconds of silence, we can delete that. Now, say I wanted to delete a whole sentence. So you see right here, it's called recraft. I don't want that in the video. I'll just highlight that and I'll click on delete, and boom, just like that, it's gonna skip right over that and remove that from the video. So if I play it from right here, you'll see that it skips right over that. This is generative AI. There you go, which is really cool. Now say you realize, you know what, I do want that sentence within the video. Okay, I made a mistake, I don't want to delete that. All you have to do is click on that and click restore. Or if you want you can restore one word, or you can highlight that whole sentence and click restore. And boom, just like that, it's back into the video. Okay, it's that simple. And what I love so much about this tool is the fact that we still have our normal timeline over here on the track. So we could still come over here and edit our video the normal standard way on the timeline. So I could zoom in and I can highlight things just like I normally would. All right, so we still have our normal timeline and our normal form of editing, but we also have this super simple way of editing. Now I will tell you, if you want to upgrade to pro, you can click on where it says remove filler words. And then all you have to do is click one button and it will remove every single bit of silence. It'll take out all the times you say and ah and you pause. It'll take out parts where you were repetitive in your script, and it'll do all that in one single click. But you have to upgrade to the Pro. So monthly it's $7. However, you do not need to pay for that to use this tool. You can go through and just click on all the silence and delete it just like that. So I'll just go through and remove all this silence. Okay, now literally in a matter of a minute, I have removed all the silence from this video, and the video is now, as you can see up top here, the video is now down to just under 10 minutes. So we removed almost 3 minutes of silence from this video, and it only took me a minute to do that. Now normally if I was editing this video, I would have to go through and zoom in and manually select every part of silence from this timeline, and I would have to play the video every time to make sure that I removed the right part. This has saved me so much time. All right, so I'm telling you guys, if you don't have CapCut, click the link down below and download it. Now at any time, if you want to get out of this transcript and get back to where all your effects and your audio tabs are, all you have to do is come up here and click on that little X icon right there, and it will close out of the transcript and bring you back to your normal screen. And then you can go back and add in audio or text or stickers or effects or transitions or whatever you want to do. And when you want to go back into your transcript, you just click back on that little button for your transcript based editing, and it'll bring you right back up here. All right guys, so that is CapCut's new transcript based editing, and it is such a time saver. You gotta try it out, guys. If you don't have it, like I said, it's completely free. So click the link below in the description box, download CapCut for desktop, and you'll be able to use that tool completely for free, and it'll save you so much time and so much energy wasted on deleting silences and ums and ahs from your video. All right guys, I appreciate you watching. I hope this helps you, and I will see you in the next video.